Yeah. Come on, baby. One more time.
So now it's lunchtime, guys. We found a cute little place to eat, really close to the river, just by our side. And we ordered some ribs with peanuts and like potato or shutiao. A little bit spicy, this one. And then last night we tried this. It's like black sticky rice.
对，黑米肠。
黑米肠, and
对。
it's good, so we got it again. But today's looks a bit thicker than last night's. And we also got some sweet potato, 红薯, 对不对？
对。
And this one, inside is rice. We chose 鲜的. Wow.
Yeah.
Bamboo flavor, right?
对 ，inside they have like salty meats,
对
bean, something.
看起来好吃.
Yeah.
This way we have the 河边，我们在河边，对不对？ And there's so many flowers and bridges. It's so beautiful. Let's eat now.
Okay, let's try.
烫，对不对？ Peanut, always good. The potato.
Yeah, 排骨 is very popular here. Let's see the 排骨. Wow,
That's
juicy.
Very good. I love ribs.
So compare last night, which one better?
Let me try more. Different. This one's spicy.
Oh, this one's spicy.
A little bit spicy.
Oh.
But it's still good. Both are good. 好吃。
好的，你试一试。
尝一尝米饭吗？ Let's try. It tastes like 粽子。
粽子啊。
好吃。Let's try this one. Sweet potato. Very crunchy.
Crunchy.
Good.
It looks like chips, right?
Tastes a bit like 薯条。
Yeah.
You try this one?
这个是当地特色黑米肠，这里面是米。
Olio. 对不对？ Tastes same as last night. Wow, so a girl's here dressed in beautiful clothes. Her bag is so cute. It's really cute how they use like little baskets as their bags here. Put their things inside. Yeah, she looks really cool. Somebody's taking pictures for her. And the guys also are dressed up. Look at his hat. So cool.
对，这是少数民族的衣服，应该是纳西族的。朋友们看，贝斯想尝试一下拍一些民族服装，所以我们在网上找了一个。
可以吧？好，咱们先去试一下衣服。
哦好。
你选好衣服了吗？
对。先换衣服去试一下。
Yeah.
Okay.
我在下面等你吗？好。
等我。
好的。
我是谁？
这是贝斯吗？
我是 minority.
Yeah.
Now it's time to put some makeup on and then go and take some pictures.
Yeah, can you stand and show me,
yes,
please?
of course. Oh, it's so long. I'm scared. Wow, listen. So jingly, right?
Oh my god, so
好
good.
看吗
Fits you.
And later she'll give me a hat.
Oh.
Yeah.
好看。
谢谢。Oh, so nice.
Yeah.
And so colorful.
哦，拍要40分钟左右。
一些场景。
看 base。 Ooh, looks different.
You're gonna see me with makeup soon.
一会儿我们去拍外景，大概40-50分钟左右。现在要化妆啦。How do you feel now?
Refreshed. Put some
Yo.
water on me. Ready to be transformed. On my microphone.
Wow. A big difference. 这是少数民族姑娘吗？
I feel like a queen.
贝子现在是少数民族女孩。
I keep still like a statue.
是不是很重？
有一点。没关系。
这是豪华套餐们，你看这些。
我笑，你看看我的头。It's moving.
看看这是谁？贝，看看这是谁？我们现在出来拍照了。贝斯，看看，哇，这个。
I feel like it keeps me so straight with this hat on. You know?
That's good. 那摄影师手里面拿了一些道具。对吧？走起来，叮铃叮铃铃响，好看。哦，路上也有很多人在拍照。你看，这个衣服也好看。